Hello everyone. TalendTechSolutions Team is here again to provide Azure Data Engineer training with Databricks and ADF as major focus. So let's move ahead and know much more about it. Are you looking for an end-to-end Azure Data Engineer training with relevant data engineering tools? Then you have come to right place to begin your career path because we provide 75 plus hours of holistic learning with necessary guidance to build your career path. Wanna know some interesting facts about data engineering world? Then here it goes. The percentage range of data engineering will grow from 29% to 43% by 2027. Data migration from Hadoop to Databricks Lakehouse will be 100% in next few years as companies transition towards cloud, making data engineers needed for all the organizations. Average salary for a data engineer is around 7 to 25 LPA. This is equivalent to any R&D engineer in product-based company. It is relevant to all the professionals who want to switch to an exciting career in Azure data engineering world. Wanna know how? Then let's navigate to its key Majestic features. This is the only training program which comprises end-to-end data engineering tools in 75 hours of holistic learning from 4 data engineering specialists on Azure, SQL, PySpark, Databricks, and ADF. We also provide assistance on Azure and Databricks certification. At the end of course completion, you will receive a certificate from Institute of Data Engineering. All learners will be given scope to implement hands-on real-world project where mentorship is provided to complete the project and separate sessions will be scheduled for doubt clarifications. For all the interested students, dedicated guidance will be provided on resume preparation and mock interview practice after the completion of training. We are very glad to progress this journey with you. So, without any further delay, reach out to us on WhatsApp or through email, or check out our website for more information. For upcoming batch details, you can check out the description given below, or you can directly visit our institute located in Hyderabad. Thank you.